Good day. My name is Laulанова Назерке. I'm an English teacher at the Sarkimer School Gymnasium. Today's our new theme is Daredevils, Grade 7. Our learning objectives understand the main points in a growing range short, simple text on the general and the curricular topics. And our lesson objectives, all learners will be able to read the text. Some learners will be able to translate the text. Most learners will be able to read the text and explain. Now look at these pictures and think, what can you see in these pictures? We say people who do these exercises daredevils. Daredevils, a person who engages in very risky behavior, especially one who is motivated by a craving for excitement or attention. Daredevil people enjoy physically dangerous things.
These are new vocabulary which needs for today's theme. Listen and try to repeat. Waterfalls, daredevils, tightrope, stunts, spectacular, hero, barrel, survive, prohibited, fine.
In your students' books given text about Niagara Falls. Let's listen short information about these falls. This is the river Niagara and it is popular for his waterfalls. And nowadays it is a popular site for tourists. You get enough information about theme and let's do tasks. You will work in two groups. By using the method jigsaw reading, you should read part of the text and explain your understanding to each other. First group, you should read the text A and B. Second group, you should read the text C, D, E.
The next task exercise number 2, page 52. In this exercise, you should listen and match the headings 1-4 with paragraphs A, E.
Track 2.3. Reading. Exercise 2. Niagara Falls. Don't look down.
Facts about Niagara Falls. At Niagara Falls, on the border between the USA and Canada, the River Niagara suddenly falls more than 50 meters. Every hour, 2.5 million liters go over the waterfalls. Niagara Falls is popular with tourists, and in the past, it was also popular with daredevils. 3 of the most famous were the Great Blondin, Signor Farini, and Annie Taylor. Tightrope hero. In 1859, Blondin walked across Niagara Falls 8 times. Once, he cooked eggs while he was standing on the tightrope. Another time, he nearly fell into the river while he was carrying a man on his back. That day, a man called William Hunt was at Niagara with his girlfriend. As they were watching Blondin, Hunt decided to invent stunts which were more spectacular and daring than Blondin's. He changed his name to Signor Farini and began to practice. A new tightrope champion. In 1860, a crowd went to see Farini at Niagara. He was walking along his tightrope when he stopped and climbed down a 30-meter rope to a boat. He had a drink, then climbed up the rope again and continued walking. He was the new King of the Falls. A lady at the falls. There were many heroes of Niagara and also some heroines. In 1901, Annie Taylor became the first woman to go over the falls in a barrel. People were waiting for 40 minutes before Annie's helpers opened the barrel. People weren't expecting to see Annie alive, but in fact, she survived.
Here, you can check your answers. Let's give feedback for today's lesson. Answer to these questions. What have you learned from this lesson? Can you use new words? Was it interesting? And write to me your feedback.